should do.
The Paris story is very simple today. A well-oiled machine.
Still flowing in. They are expecting a terrific atmosphere. The noise already. Pirates jog over to salute their supporters on the far sides. I'll take this opportunity to just champion of the match. That's how you can vote for, or predict rather, who you think will score the first goal and win as Pirates get us underway here. Must inform you that already close to R1 million has been given away. 485,000 has gone to the fans that have correctly guessed the opening scorer.
Covers the risk for set-piece. Corner kick for that matter.
Metropolis has taken short, exchanging passes here with Moremi. Chops back inside away from Zikali, and Matizwa turning it behind for what will be another Pirate set piece.
Tells you the story. But how well this Pirate side has done, and their performance basically attracts the attention of the national team coach.
As Moremi gets in a good ball, falls here for Mbule, hits it first time, drilled straight, threaded through for Polis. Mbule dinked over the top for Mputuma, who profited from a similar scoop from Rele Mufokeng in the previous game.
Yes, that is an exquisite pass from
Daba. Finding Mbule in some space here. Rides a couple of challenges, digs out across. Mputuma snuck in to take it. It couldn't work the angle.
Mbule didn't quite get the right power to be able to get that ball into the box, but well read by Mputuma, who saw the opportunity and ran in front of the defender. That is how most defenders get.
Still Mahango goes down under the challenge, free kick to come.